Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video guys for any of you having a Mercedes C-Class generation W205, and if you need to find where the horn, fuses and relays are located, stay with us guys, we'll explain what you can expect, where you can find them. We're going to share that, and also we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information you need to know to save you money. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see also where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the horn, fuses and relays come guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes W205 right here. Quick fact guys, we want to give you one quick advice. Now guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. It's a video our subscribers told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do, open the hood. When you open the hood guys, facing the engine on the right side here, you see you have that cover. Under that cover is the main engine fuse box. You have two turning knobs, okay, one on this side here, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise, one towards the back, lift that cover up. Underneath you have a box with a black cover that attaches with two screws, two bolts right here with Torx 20. Once you open it, you get to the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Now guys, here things get a little bit interesting. We'll talk about that. Don't freak out if you don't have that fuse, we'll explain why. But the horn fuse that you will need to check, if you have one, will be fuse number 115. Some models will not have that fuse, but if you have it, that's the fuse you need to check. You don't have any relays for the fuse, but for the horn, but we want to talk about that. If you don't have the fuse for the horn, what that means, most likely it's controlled by the front SAM module. That's the SAM module. So what you need to do in that case guys, test and check all fuses for the front SAM module. If you do not know where they're located, because there will be in some hidden fuse boxes, we have the video on our channel, check it out, it will teach you all about that. But some models will just not have a specially dedicated fuse for the horn. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.